Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the notice mode and the notice time of this TD173. First, it's also in the F2 setting, so let's go to the setting mode and F2, okay, confirm. We need to start at the 4 because the extra 4 is for the keypad notice mode. So we need to, 4 is the beep, so we need to change that. Okay, you can hear the sound, which means successfully. 10. Okay, you can see it only has the beep, no light. So let's change another one. F2 and 5. 5 is the vibration. Okay, now let's check it. So now it only has the vibration. So that's it. And for the number 6, it will be the LED flash, and 7 is a beep and vibration, 8 vibration and flash, 9 beep and flash, 10 beep and vibration and flash. So you can change freely according to your use. In addition, for the promo time, you can change from 1 to 999 seconds. So it's very convenient and according to your use. If you want long range and customer notice in time, so they can just by pressing this key. So it's very convenient. Now let's see this one. Okay, let me change the beep first. Okay, I will change them to beep so that you will hear clearly. 4. Okay. So this is a long time and I press it back. Now we change it to 5 seconds. So we need to go to F3. Okay, now you can press the number 5. Press this one. Okay, it is successfully. Let's check. Okay, you can see it rings 5 times in 5 seconds. So it's very easy to set, and you can set to 999 seconds according to your use. And that's all for this pager. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us by support@retekess.com and visit our website www.retekess.com. Thank you.